Hey, are you a sales executive? Yes, I am sales executive. Now my AI agent Neeraj will do your job. Hey, you are a customer support assistant?
Yes, I am.
My AI agent Ishan will do this job. Are you digital marketers? Yes. You are being replaced by AI agents who will now manage your work.
For the past 2 years, you have been hearing things like AI will do this, AI will do that, your career is at risk. But can you tell me how many AI startups have emerged in the last 2 years? How many AI tools have been launched? And what is the market size of AI is now? Just try to guess and comment below. Look at this. In 2024, the AI market is worth $184 billion. By 2025, it's expected to reach $250 billion. And by 2030, it's racing towards $800 billion. In the US alone, there are 5,500 AI startups. Now, it's possible you are not using AI yet. But think about this. How will the market grow to $250 billion by 2025 and 800 by 2030? Someone somewhere is definitely using it, whether individuals or companies. And it's also possible that these are the very individuals or companies that could become so advanced with AI that defeating them might seem impossible for you in the near future. For the past 2 years, you have been hearing about AI, and maybe you have been thinking you are better than AI. Meanwhile, companies like OpenAI, Google, and Microsoft have been tirelessly developing AI that is better than you. In a recent interview, Sam Altman said,
In 2025, what's to come?
AGI?
AGI, that is artificial general intelligence, is coming by 2025. And AGI means a superhuman. Are you ready to compete with these superhumans? For the past 2 years, it was all about AI. Now, the next phase is here. AI agents. So what exactly are AI agents? To put it simply, AI agents are assistants that are experts in performing a specific task. They are not humans, but they are highly accurate and fast at whatever task you assign them. Let's understand this with an example. For businesses, they can act as free 24/7 automated employees, working quickly and accurately. No tiredness, no complaints. And it's not just for businesses. You can use AI agents both personally and professionally. On a personal level, they can act as assistants who understand your interests and choices, manage your daily schedule, set reminders, handle calls, emails, and messages for you. They can even create content for you, post it on all your social media platforms, and reply to comments and DMs. For example, meet Neeraj, an AI sales agent for a stock market coaching business. The moment someone enrolls for a seminar through Facebook ads, Neeraj automatically calls them, thanks them for enrolling, and motivates them to attend the seminar. It also warms up every lead for the trainer's high-ticket program pitch during the seminar, making conversion much easier. If there is a sales-related query, Neeraj gives precise and to-the-point answers. It remembers every customer's history and past interactions, ensuring effective follow-up calls. Let me show you a demo. There are various platforms for AI-based voice agents, but Vappy is one of them, and Vappy is one of the best AI tool. So this is Vappy. You can see its dashboard, and these are the agents. See, this is Neeraj, and you can see the system prompt. Sales an expert voice agent for IMT Institute's rupees 98 offline seminar, and you can see role, primary objective, tone, and many of the things in this prompt. And you can see here various options: model, transcriber, voice, functions, advanced analysis. Then here for this agent provider like OpenAI, then Perplexity or Anthropic or Gemini. The model, which model of OpenAI, like 4o, Cluster, Mini, Turbo, various models from OpenAI. So, when you'll start learning about VAPI, you'll understand lots of things here. So, I'll just go to the phone numbers and try to call from this agent to my number. So, I'll just go down, outbound number, India. Select assistant, Neeraj. So, Neeraj, this AI agent will call me on my number. So, I'll just click on outbound call and I'll receive a call on this number. You can see from Neeraj, and I'll just answer this call and put it on a speaker, and you can see.
This is Niraj. How may I assist you today?
Hi Neeraj. Actually, I have attended many stock market seminars and I have even paid for them, but they turned out to be a waste for me. Is this going to be the same?
Hi there. I completely understand your concerns, and it's great that you're looking for value in your investment. This seminar at IMT Institute is designed to be hands-on and actionable, focusing on simplified price action trading strategies that have proven effective for many participants. What sets this seminar apart is its practical approach, where you'll learn techniques for trading across various markets, along with vital risk management strategies. Plus, for just $98, you're
Hi,
getting access to insights that can...
Hi, do you provide any guarantee?
That's a great question. While we can't guarantee specific financial results, we can assure you that the seminar is structured to provide valuable insights and practical strategies that have helped many traders improve their skills.
Okay, so one more thing, when is this seminar?
Absolutely. The seminar is scheduled for 27 November 2024, and it will take place in Barner, Pune, starting at 1 p.m.
Oh,
It's
that's
a
great,
3-hour
that's great.
Interact.
Thank you Neeraj.
You're welcome. I'm glad I could help.
You
If
can
you have
see.
any more questions on...
And if you want, you can even see the recording here. You can see just this call, and this is the recording. And if I click on transcript, you can see this, my question, then answer, then again the user question, then answer, like this. You can see how wonderfully Neeraj is functioning as a voice-based sales agent. I created this demo to show you how continuous training can shape its performance. After 1 to 2 months of consistent training and improvements, Neeraj becomes highly convincing when working as a sales agent. It makes calls, engage customers effectively, and strives to convert leads. What is remarkable is that while I was talking to him, if I interrupt, it listens and adjusts, making it very powerful and dynamic voice agent. You might be wondering, do I have to manually make calls from this platform every time? The answer is no. The entire system runs on automation. Here is how it works. Whether you are running ads, doing paid marketing, or generating organic leads through content creation, all the leads automatically flow into your CRM. As soon as an inquiry is recorded in the CRM, it triggers an automated process either through Make.com or Zapier. The lead is directly routed through these automation tools, and a call is initiated on VAPI. Once the call is made, the voice agent speaks to the lead, convincing them and warming up for his high-ticket upsell during the seminar. Every conversation during these calls is recorded. After the call, a summary of the discussion is generated using tools like ChatGPT or similar tool. This summary is then stored in the CRM for future reference so that you can take more informed follow-ups. This is how the complete automation works, from lead generation to nurturing and recording interaction for future use. It's a seamless, efficient, and highly effective system. Next, let me introduce another WhatsApp agent, Ishan. Here we are using it for IMT Institute Pune. Even though I have deleted the chat history, you will see that it still recognizes me. What is impressive is that as soon as a lead is generated, the customer receives an order confirmation. After that, Ishan asks a series of questions one by one to qualify the lead. Once the lead is qualified, it generates a score along with an analysis to determine how likely this lead is to convert into a seminar attendee. This score helps the sales team focus only on highly potential leads while ignoring unqualified ones. After qualification, Ishan retains a history of each customer, which is incredibly helpful for pitching sales or warming up leads. Now, let's see it in action. Even after I deleted the chat history, if I ask, "Do you remember me?" Ishan still recognizes me. Let's check. See, it replies, "Yes, I remember you, Pritam Nagrale. You are running an AI automation agency business and are based in Pune." It even provides the exact date, time, and location details. So, Ishan stores all my information and gives excellent support 24/7. Not just that, it also handles sales and works on warming up potential leads. What is more, I have designed two agents on the same number, one specialized in sales and the other in support. Based on the customer's query and intent, the task is assigned to the appropriate agent. For instance, if I ask a question like, "Is there car parking available?" Like, "My car is big size." Let's see how it replies. Even though I have not specifically provided this information, Ishan uses its intelligence to respond. Here is the response. "Yes, there is car parking available at IMT Institute. They typically have the facility to accommodate large vehicles." Notice how it did not just give a generic answer like, "Yes, car parking is available." Instead, it tailored the response by addressing the specific concern about a large car. Now, let's try another question. "Will breakfast or lunch be provided?" Let's see the reply. Here it is. The seminar is scheduled on 17 November 2024. There will be light refreshment and snacks available, and full breakfast or lunch is typically not provided for morning seminars because it is morning seminar. See how smartly it responded, keeping the context of a morning seminar in mind. This AI agent can respond to 10 people or even 100 people simultaneously, offering seamless interaction. These are future agents, the true future of work. To create this WhatsApp AI agent Ishan, I used 4 tools: ManyChat, ChatGPT, Make.com, and a CRM integrated with Make.com. There is a fully automated flow built on ManyChat and Make.com. It looks something like this, but explaining the entire setup here is challenging. So I will be creating a separate video for it. Now, these are just 2 examples I have shared, but the possibilities with AI agents are endless. An AI agent can work as an HR assistant, posting jobs, filtering candidates, even conducting interviews. It can assess a candidate's knowledge, confidence, and body language and decide whether to shortlist or even select them. It can automate every repetitive task in a company in a smart way. Professionally, it can replace an average IT professional or digital marketer. For your child, it can be a tutor better than any human teaching every subject and language. It can autonomously earn money for you. This is the right time to learn AI and start implementing it in your business or profession. Don't wait until it's too late and you miss the opportunity to understand its potential. I am the founder of Future Agents, an AI automation agency. If you have a business, want to build AI agents, smart automation, or use AI to build your brand, there is a link in the description. You can book a free appointment with us. Or if you want to learn AI and become an expert, you can enroll in our AI Scholars Academy training.